Infrastructure Maniac. 3 controversial infrastructure plans from China. Stunning megaprojects plan. China is increasingly turning to state-led investment to stabilize its economy, hoping mega infrastructure projects will stimulate local business and create jobs. In late December 2021, China's finance ministry said it had offered local governments an early allocation of 1.46 trillion yuan, or $229 billion in quotas for 2022 special purpose bonds to help spur investment and support the economy. Today, we will take a look at 3 infrastructure plans that have stoked excitement and controversy. Without further ado, let's get started. Taiwan Strait Tunnel Project. The tunnel was proposed as part of the Beijing-Taipei Expressway, which, if completed, would connect the mainland with Taiwan. It has subsequently been included in China's railway development plan. The Fuzhou-Taipei section of high-speed railway was also included in the 2021 to 2035 Transport Network Development Plan released by the State Council in February 2021. The project is a 126-kilometer proposed undersea tunnel to connect Pingtan in mainland China to Xinhua in Taiwan. First proposed in 1996, the project has since been subject to a number of academic discussions and feasibility studies, including by the China Railway Engineering Corporation. The route between Pingtan and Hingshu was chosen because of its short distance compared to other proposed routes and its relative geological stability. Despite the enthusiasm in mainland China, there is an obvious lack of interest from Taiwan, which is regarded by Beijing as a breakaway province that must be united. It is generally viewed as a part of Beijing's manifesto for unification, particularly when tensions across the Taiwan Strait have escalated in the past 2 years. Although the full project is not yet under construction, the mainland has built up the infrastructure for future connections of its roads and rail networks to the island, Xi said. 2 bridges linking the mainland and Pingtan Island have been completed. One is a road bridge that opened in 2010, and the other is a highway and railway bridge, which was completed in 2020. Number 2. Yantai-Dalian Undersea Tunnel. The proposed tunnel between the eastern city of Yantai and Dalian to the north spans about 90 kilometers under the Bohai Sea and is more than twice the length of the Channel Tunnel between England and France. Train trips could be slashed from 10 hours to 1 hour and make the need for an 8-hour ferry obsolete. The project was first mooted in the early 1990s, but its feasibility has long been questioned, given the complicated technology required and low transport demand. It gained more prominence after the central government included it in its plan to revitalize signs the project could be moving forward. For instance, the high-speed railway station of Penglai, a district of Yantai City, has made preparations for cross-Bohai connections. Number 3. South-North Water Transfer Project. China's grand plan to divert dozens of billions of cubic meters of water annually from the Yangtze River in the south to northern regions through 3 canals has been talked about since the early 1950s. The government has not revealed the exact amount it is investing in the project, but previous market estimates put it at around 500 billion yuan. The Eastern Canal follows the direction of the historic Grand Canal and passes through the provinces of Jiangsu, Shandong, and Hebei. The Central Canal, with a length of 1,432 kilometers, starts from Denjiangkou Reservoir in the central province of Hubei, while the Western Canal starts from 3 tributaries of the Yangtze River near the Bayanhar Mountains and passes through the provinces of Qinghai, Gansu, Shaanxi, Inner Mongolia, and Ningxia. China approved the construction of the eastern route and Phase 1 of the central route in 2002, and 94.2% was completed by the end of 2021. The total volume of water diverted was 9.7 billion cubic meters in 2021, equivalent to 3.2 million Olympic swimming pools. As of the end of 2021, some 49.9 billion cubic meters of water has been diverted since the eastern route was opened earlier that year, according to the Ministry of Water Resources.